Good morning, children. How are you all? All are safe at home? Are you washing your hands often? Yes, be safe, children. Shall we start today maths class? Yes, today maths class we see same continuously algebra. Do you remember last class what did you learn? First, we learned introduction of algebra. Then we learn how to multiply, then division, then the last class algebraic identities. In the algebraic identities, we learn a plus b the whole square. Can anyone say what is a plus b the whole square? Yes, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Can anyone say a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay, then the next one is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Children, this you know. But today class we are going to see that next identity. What is the next identity? See the picture, children. What does this picture shows? This is actually the solid figure, is it? Yes. Okay. This side has how many sides? We have 6 sides. All the sides are equal. Yes. So we have taken the side S is equal to A. Sit a cube. For the a plus b the whole square, we found out area of the square. Here we are going to find out volume of a cube. So volume of a cube, side S is equal to A we have taken, and the volume is equal to A cube cubic units. So we can write A into A into A. A cube, how can we write? A into A. So A cube cubic units. The same we are going to apply in the cubic identity. So from this we are going to find out cubic identity. See this, children. The side is given A plus B. Okay. How to find out volume of this cube? Okay. So volume of this cube, cubic identities, we get cubic identities. So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Once again I say children, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But how this identity come? Shall we solve with this? Okay, what is your left hand side? That is a plus b the whole cube. How can you split? Shall we split it into a plus b into a plus b the whole square? Then it is a plus b the whole cube only, no? Yes. So a plus b into a plus b the whole square. Instead of this a plus b the whole square, you are going to write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you understood? A plus b into a plus b the whole square plus you are writing identity of a plus b the whole square. So you got it, a plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can multiply, children. A into a square, you got it, a cube. Now a into 2ab. So you get what? 3a square b. Then a into b square, what? ab square you will get. Then add it, and with the b you multiply each term. When you multiply by each term with a b, then you get. Then like terms, add the like terms, then you get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, children? So how this identity comes now, you know. The same way we have a minus b the whole cube. In the a minus b cube place we have, see this, the another method of multiplying children. See this. Here first is a, b one side and the a square 2ab plus b squared is in the column wise. Okay, row wise and the column wise. How do you multiply? Now a into a square a cube. A into 2ab 2a square b. A into b square ab square. Then with the b you are going to multiply. B into a square b. Now b into 2ab 2ab square. B into b square b cube. Now add it children. A cube, you got it, a cube here. Now like terms, a square b plus 2a square b, 3a square b. Then ab square plus 2ab square, you got it, 3ab square plus b cube. Now you know how this is easy method. I think everyone will follow this. Okay children. Then the next one children. Same way, all the formulas I have given. A plus b the whole cube formula, a minus b the whole cube formula, and when it is a cuboid, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, we have this big identity. Okay, just go through this identity children. Okay, now shall we see problem how to expand the identity. How to expand the identity. Okay children, expand x plus 4 the whole cube. What is the sum? Expand x plus 4 the whole cube. This is which identity based on? Based on a plus b the whole cube. So we get, instead of a plus what do you have? X. B plus what do you have? 4. So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay children, apply a value in the a place, b value in the b place. A place x, b place 4. So apply, what is the a? X to the power 3 plus in the form identity itself 3. So 3 into a square plus x square into 4 plus 3 into x 4 square plus 4 cube. Okay children, afterwards just expand it. X cube, 3 4s are 12, x square and 48x plus 64. So you got x plus 4 the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 12x square plus 48x plus 24. Children, I think you all understood. Shall we apply? Okay. Next. See children, next one more sum. This is find the value of 103 the whole cube. How do we find out when the number is given? See this. This is 103 the whole cube. How can we rewrite this? So 103 cube you can rewrite 100 plus 3 the whole power 3. 100 plus 3 into the whole power 3. So you got a plus b the whole cube identity. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square b cube. Okay children. So apply in the place. What is your a? 100. What is your b? 3. Apply in that place. 100 cube, 3 into 100 square into 3, 3 into 100 into 9 square plus 3 to the power 3. Okay, when 100 to the power 3 means how many zeros you will add? 100 we have 2 zeros. To the power 3 means we have to add 6 zeros. So, expand it, and 3 into 100 square means it is 4 zeros. So, you will write 3 into 10,000 into 3 plus, expand it children. After expanding everything, add all the numbers and write it. Okay? Understood children? Okay children. The same way we are going to expand with the minus. a minus b the whole cube. We are going to find out a minus b the whole cube formula. Same procedure, children. Instead of plus, here we are writing the minus. So a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is your a? 5. What is your b? X. Apply in that place. Okay. After applying 5 cube, how many times you will multiply? 5 into 5 into 5. What is the answer? 5 into 5 into 5? 125. Okay. 3 into 5 square. What is the 5 square? 5 into 5. So you will get 25. And 3 5s are minus and x cube. So you got the answer 125 minus 75x plus 15x square minus x cube. So you got the children 5 minus x the whole cube is equal to 125 minus 75x plus 15x square minus x to the power 3. Okay children. Children, I have given Kahoot. Do the Kahoot and do the worksheet. Complete and go through the lessons. Okay. Thank you children. Okay children. Next we recall some identities. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes. Do you remember children? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next identity. Can I ask you? Yes, Harus, what is a plus b the whole cube? Can you say now? Yes, say, very good. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Very good, very good. Now, Yuvraj. Next one. A minus b the whole cube is equal to. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Excellent. Now, Yoget, a plus b into a minus b. Can you remember this identity, children? Yeah. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Very good. Now, shall we see two more identities. What are the next two identities? X plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? Sahana, can you say x plus a into x plus b? Yes, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Very good, Sahana. Now, the next one. Dhanavidya, what is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Children, now you all know these identities. You keep on remember this. This is your basic identities. This only you have to, the future classes, you have to use it. Okay. This is the basic main. Okay children. By using of that, find the value of 98 cube. Find the value of 98 cube. How can you write 98 cube, children? How do you write 98 cube? How can you write? We can write 100 minus 2 the whole cube. How can we write? 100 minus 2 the whole cube. Okay. What is in your A place you have? A is equal to 100. What do you have B place? B is equal to 2. Now, what do you have the identity? A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Because we use here minus, we have to use this both the place minus. Apply in the A place A value, children, and 3 a place write a value, b place write b value. Here also 3 into a place write the a value and the b place write the b value. Okay children, and the b cube. I think you all understood how to apply. After that, just calculate. Okay children, after calculation you place it that place, then what to do? Add the positive value and add the negative value. Add the positive value. This both are positive, so add that both. This both are negative, add that both. Then what to do? When the plus and minus comes, you have to find the difference. You get the value this. So what is 98 cube? What is 98 cube? 941192. Okay children, hope you all understood how to apply in the identity. Okay children, now next shall we recall what we learn in the algebra. Okay, first class what we learn? First class what we learn? We learn multiplication. Yes, in multiplication what all we learn? How to multiply monomial by monomial. Yes, then the next one is polynomial by monomial, then polynomial by polynomial. What is the next one children? The next one is division of algebraic expression. In the division of algebraic expression, what did you learn? Monomial by monomial. Yes, binomial by monomial. Then we learn polynomial by binomial. Do you remember? Then the next class what do you learn? Identities. What all identities we learn? A plus b the whole square. Yes, a minus b the whole square. Then a plus b into a minus b. Then x plus a into x plus b. Do you know these answers children? Just you should go through it. Okay. Then we learn a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. Do you remember these identities children? Just keep it in your mind and learn. Okay. Will you do it? Do the worksheet also. Okay children? Very good.